This is like the perfect time of day. I work in real estate in Sydney. Honestly obsessed. Oh no, I would not recommend. Super cute bag. Like, it's just a lot of products. Thanks so much. You too. See you later. Paris, Paris, Paris. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. First of all, before I jump in the shower, I have like this pimple coming through here, so I'm gonna use the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask and just put a little bit of that on my chin. If you have not tried one of these like silicone applicators, game changing. So I'm gonna shower, wash this off, get ready for today to have a productive day. I'm gonna put on a tiny bit of makeup today just so I feel a bit better about myself. Coffee, and then we need to start our work day. So I don't know if I've actually said this, but I work in real estate in Sydney. So obviously with the pandemic, it's business in an unusual way. But yeah, I'll show you a typical like work day in a way. I've just made coffee. I just realized this is so like such a vibe. Paris, Paris, Paris. So this is the Nescafe sugar-free caramel latte, like the sachets. They were half price at Coles, so I'm like, I need to try. So I will let you know. First thing for work that I do in the morning, we have these automated messages that go out to people. I started at 20 people, and then over about 2 weeks I now send 200, although it doesn't go out to that number by the end of it, so I'll let you know. I have to basically go through them all and check that they're going to the right people before they go out, so it does take some time. Let's try this. Ooh. No, it's super sweet, but it's like that artificial. Oh no, I would not recommend. So artificial. I'm not a fan. Okay, so I've just finished. That literally took so long. My computer kept crashing. It just is not vibing with today. So out of 200 messages that we started with, we're down to 105. So today's actually going to be the most that I've ever sent out. Fingers crossed, good success rate. Also, update on the coffee, still hate it. It definitely got a bit easier to drink the more I was drinking. The thing I have to do after this is, as I said, I need to go to the post office. So I'm going to wrap the 2 items, and then I'm going to finally post these things that people have been waiting on. That girl? No. The post office is one of those places where I just have zero motivation to go to. Hello, I just wanted to send these 2.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Postage? Postage is literally so so expensive. It like blows my mind every time I post something. I feel like the prices are just going up. I was standing in there and I'm like, oh, I feel like hungry. What can I eat for lunch? It's 12:30 and I just realized I haven't even eaten breakfast. I've literally just had that one coffee.
Please listen carefully as our options have recently changed.
I wanted to find out if there's any updates with my real estate license application.
Yeah, is it Nicole that I'm speaking to?
Yes.
And Nicole, do you have an application number?
I do, yeah. So it's APP. I got, I think 2 emails maybe that it's just like a confirmation of lodgement, but then nothing since.
I'll just put you on a short hold, Nicole.
Sure. No worries. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for that. Thank
Awesome.
you for calling Service New South Wales.
Thanks so much. You too. See you later. But I just need to put a property live for sale, which just means it goes online to like realestate.com and domain and all of those type things. So basically it's just available for sale now. I used to get super nervous doing this, to be very honest, just because it was like, oh my god, if I stuff things up, then obviously it's like bad because it's live, and it's not too late to fix things, but it's like it's out there for everyone. But doing it a few times now, I'm not so stressed about it, which is amazing. That is my dog sleeping behind me. If you have not tried rice cakes with chili flakes, salt and pepper, you are missing out. It is life changing, honestly. If you haven't, try it. And you'll thank me later. It's so good. And if you have not had mandarins in a while, try them. I am addicted. I have like 3 a day. Honestly obsessed. The best, simplest meal. Love. What I thought vacuuming was like exercise. I'm so hot now. So we're in my bathroom. It's a mess. So we are gonna clean all of this up. For some reason, I've been like putting heaps of fragrances in our bathroom and squishing my skincare into this tiny section. So I'm like, why don't I make my skincare section bigger? Because I use that and put the fragrances in the linen cupboard with the other spare ones that we have. So we are gonna do that. Battery died, but I basically finished everything, although I don't know if I'm still happy because there is so much stuff still in the cupboard. It feels like I haven't really taken anything away. So I'll show you inside first and then the top. This is an overview. Like, it's just a lot of products. Here I just have like some little samples that I still need to try. A lot of eye creams, lip stuff, and then at the back just have more serum. So I have like the Ordinary. This is like a tea tree oil one with night cream, and also like these are really good as well if you've got dry skin. In particular, these Tatcha things, expensive, but they are good. So that is my fragrance sections. Just a couple that I'm really vibing with. I got a sample of this Santal 33 by Lee Labo. That's what the logo looks like. Obsessed, really love that. Byredo Mojave Ghost is like, if you haven't smelt this, this is my fave. I absolutely love that. Ariana Grande Cloud. Smells like the Baccarat Rouge. Replica Sailing Day. They actually do have quite a few nice scents in this brand. I have 2 Louis Vuitton ones, which I go through stages. I love them sometimes, and then sometimes I'm just like not vibing them. Love this Malin and Getz Dark Rum. Really obsessed with that. So then we just have, this is where I usually put spare deodorants, just in the middle. These are my husband's side of fragrances. Down here, so I just have my everyday cream. I'll put this on basically every morning and sometimes at night as well. And then at the back I just have like spare shampoos and conditioners. Here I have face masks, body butter. The 2 that I really like, so the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. This one is really good and it's quite hydrating. And of course the one I used this morning, the Glam Glow Super Mud, so life-changing and great to get rid of like oil and pimples and all of that. In the middle, so I have a toilet cleaner and like a bug spray. Here I have like spare deodorants and shaving cream. Then I just have a lot of oil cleansers, a lot of cleansers, and then these are more night creams. So a couple that I really love is this, the Skin Iceland. If that focuses. It takes a minute for this camera to focus. This one's really good. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Night Concentrate. Dr. Dennis Gross is actually amazing with so many products. I have a couple of things from his and just amazing. I am actually really into cleansing balms at the moment, and I'm so excited to have 2. So the 2 that I have are the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm, or if you do want to try something quite luxurious, I would say the Amora Vitsa, I think this is called. So this is the Thermal Cleansing Balm. Update time. This bandeau twilly thing, I've been meaning to put it on my bag. So I have the Louis Vuitton Alma BB. Super cute bag, but I just feel like it's not wearing well. It's just wearing like in here. So I bought one of these, but I'm thinking I probably need 2 because there's 2 handles. How do you decide which one? That was a really bad like overthought. So I have watched so many videos on how to do this. Let's see how this goes. I feel like it's just not gonna look so cute. I might need to go to the store and get them to do it. What do you think? Would it look too much? I feel like it would be too much with 2 handles covered. It means I just need to pick it up by this handle all the time. Okay, so it's walk time. Let's go. So nice, honestly. This is like the perfect time of day, like nearly 5 o'clock. I absolutely love it. And we're right back where we started this morning. So I just went for a walk, just made the bed. I hate making the bed, but it's so good when you change your sheets. I just love it. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off. So I'm gonna quickly do that, have a shower, cook dinner. Tonight I'm just literally, if you're after a healthy meal idea, literally just boiling potatoes, broccoli and peas, adding some Nuttall, salt and pepper, and that's it. Super simple when you just can't be bothered but still want to sort of be healthy. This smells so good. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're enjoying these vlogs, please let me know. Definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.